Adam. We are heading down to Woodburn Drag Strip for the Ford Fever Classic 2022, where we're going to be racing in the stick shift class. So, got the Mustang warming up out here, got it all loaded up with stuff. We're going to head down to the track, get set up, and yeah, have some fun. So, luckily, I had everything packed up from last night. We were at PIR. Yeah, got the wheels in the back, got all my tools, got my fan and my jack, and yeah, we're gonna get after it. Car seems to be warming up great. Gonna wipe off our numbers and yeah, head on down. All right, we made it down to the track. We can get in line, I think, for tech here, but just got unpacked. Gonna get my helmet out of the bag, get things rolling. Met the guy over here, I think his name's Bowen. He's got a 460 in that thing, bored out to a 514 big block, E85. He's running like 10s, I believe. But yeah, we're looking good. Got some more people showing up. I think I snagged a pretty good pit stop here, so excited about that. And yeah, gonna get switched over to track mode here and probably just go get teched in. Sitting pretty in track mode. These things are looking sweet. Same tire, just a little bit wider. Yeah, this thing's awesome. Got a nice roll cage in there. Pretty sweet. Looks like they're doing a little track prep. Nice, getting it nice and sticky. It's a beautiful morning. Overcast, chilly, boost weather. Yeah, buddy. Got a big old dragster today. Getting it fired up. Got a lot of Mustangs out here today, folks. Got a Foxbody, a little stick shift, but he's racing, I think, in the Unlimited class or something, but pretty sweet deal. Original radiator hoses, looking good. Got some more Foxbodies. Little T-Bird. We got Eddie's little LX hatch. It's got a Terminator X on it as well. AFR heads. All right, guys. Let's have a good day of racing. We gonna have some stiff competition. I think there's 3 cars so far. So, you know, it should be fun no matter what. You know, we're just out here having fun, but we're trying to freaking win. All right, we have to win. 3-peat, I need the plaque. Let's stay focused. We got some qualifying rounds to make, and then we're gonna be full-blown business mode, guys. No messing around. We gotta cut a good light. We're ready to go. I mean, there ain't no question about it. We are ready to go. Not even through the first round of qualifying, we already got a guy down. It's okay. Just ready to make a rip. That's all we're here for. All right, guys, first pass. Gonna let it fly. Not bad. Not bad. All right, not too shabby, boys. Not too shabby. Had a pretty good launch, I think. Ran it out. Let's see what we did. First qualifier. Felt pretty decent. All right, made a good first rip, guys. Yep. So here's the slip. Left lane here. It's a pretty good race. Yeah. 12:58, 112. pretty good. 0.25 on the reaction time, so that can get better. 60 foot, 176. That's honestly not bad. But yeah, 1258, that's looking good. So we're gonna let the car cool down. Ben and Brian got here, so we're gonna catch up with them. But yeah, pretty good first rip. I'm gonna check over the data log and see how she did. All right, getting ready for second round of qualifying here. Gonna see if we can't get a little better light. Good 60 foot though, 176 off that last pass. So we're gonna stay pretty close to that, and I think we'll be able to make it rip. Good burnout. Not bad. I think we can still be a little more aggressive off the launch, but seem to be all right. Let her cool down, back in the staging lanes here.
My bathroom this morning,
last rip,
like it was on a nice path.
at an 03 light,
she told me last night
175 in the 60s, so that's still pretty down there, and then at 1259. So we're gonna try and lead a little harder this pass, and
keep our fingers crossed,
you know, try and get closer to 12.5. I'd love to dial in at 12.50 and just go from there. But yeah, we'll see what we can do here. Oh no! Poor Matt, getting towed in the Prius.
It's always a bad day.
Dang it, always a bad day. Dad's rolling up, flags flying. You know the deal. Oh yeah, we got this thing out here making some passes. It's like a nitromethane deal.
One of the first racetracks, Jim Livingston's
big old distributor.
First racetracks in the country, but it works great.
Super cool.
They're fixable.
See how they plumb stuff into the frame here.
Back in the day, we were one of the
AirP studs.
So, again, we got a lot of history.
Thing's bad to the bone.
61 years of racing. 51 years at Jim down the track.
Nice. So we're after the Super Pro class, which means that they prep the track before Super Pro. So everybody from now on is going to be running pretty sticky tires. So the track prep surface should be really nice. And they said they run the prep out to 330. So as long as we get out of the hole, we got plenty of traction. So we'll make it happen. We got one more timed run, and then we'll dial in for eliminations. And you know, there's only 4 cars. One of my buddies, Matt, his car broke, so he's done. We've got 4 cars. We're looking pretty good. Yeah, competition's pretty good too, so we got to be on our game. But as long as I cut a good light, we should be all right. All right. The guy beat me, but I think the time was all right. We'll see. All right, though, 3rd time trial. I was trying to stay pretty aggressive on the light, so we'll see what time. I mean, this is going to depict kind of where I plan to be, because I feel like that was about the same as I've been doing. So we'll see what we ran. Yeah, I'm curious, because that guy made a hit too, and his automatic, you know, his a stick shift, so we were both racing. Yeah, that was a close race. All right. right, boys and girls, now we're talking. It was a race at the top end because the guy beat me. He went 12:28, I went 12:47. So we had a .06 on the tree, so that was good. 174.60, that's really good. And we're in an 8.0 to the 8th again. So this thing's honestly pretty good dialed in. We both just got out of the hole really good. I got him on the tree, and yeah, that's pretty sweet, guys. Guys, so we're getting close to our first round of eliminations here. We dropped our dial-in time from a 12:51 down to a 12:49. So really focusing on just staying on the tree. I've got a couple good reaction times down, so I'm just gonna focus on that. And as long as I'm in there, as long as I cut a good tree, then we should be all right. That was good. Not bad. I will say, me and him were neck and neck at the top, and I did let out a little bit. Not gonna lie. I launched him, and so I didn't know kind of where I was at. I'm hoping it didn't kill me though, because that was first round of elimination, so it felt good. I let out, I made the decision. Let's hope I cut a good light. And I didn't red light, so I'm hoping it's good.
A few moments later.
You kidding me? I lost, guys. Lost it. Lost the three-peat, man. Oh, shoot. Whose idea was that? I'm not a f***ing letter offer, man. Bullshit. All right, guys. Well, we got some bad news. Definitely lost first round. Ran a really good time. I went like 0.16 to the 60, or sorry, 0.16 on the tree. We ran a 176 60 foot, 810 to the 8th, or 81 something to the 8th. Then we ran a 1260 at 110, and your boy made a critical mistake. You know, me and the guy were battling on the top end. We were he let off really early, so I thought we were on a rip. So I let out, and yeah, if I wouldn't have let out, we would have made some progress. But you know, you live and you learn. All right, guys. Well, didn't get the win today. We did learn a lot of good stuff, though. Always talking to people, always learning more, always figuring out what you want to and want to do. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna catch me lifting at the top end anytime soon. Feeling like crap because I would have won if I would have just left it in. But you know, you live and you learn. So we ran a 12.60, 110, 0.16 on the tree, 1.78 to the 60 foot, 815 to the 8th. So not my best pass. Would have been good enough to win if I wouldn't have let out, so pretty sour about that, but you know, it is what it is. You'll we'll only learn from it, get better, ask for anything more. So, you know, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're definitely getting things figured out, starting to go faster, so stay tuned for all the fun action to come. But thanks for watching, and as always, stay ripping.